it's nice and flush. But either way, it will work.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. What are we making today?
Today we're making 2 different types of balloon rockets. In your kit, we've got some string. I think we have, like 10 feet? 10, 12 feet of string. That's good. We've got an index card. We've got 2 different types of straws. One's a really big one, and then a normal one. We've got 2 balloons. We've got some stickers, too, just for fun.
And then you're probably also going to need some scissors, some tape, and if you have some small rubber bands, you can use those as well.
Are these for...
Don't. So for our first balloon rocket, we're going to be using the large straw, one of the balloons, and the index card. You'll also need the scissors and some tape, and if you're using a rubber band, go ahead and grab that for this balloon rocket. The first thing we're going to do to make this rocket is attach the balloon to the top of the straw. Now you can either use a rubber band and just rubber band it right to the top there. If you want to tape the balloon down, we do recommend cutting off that little lip on the bottom of the balloon, just so that when you tape it to the straw, it's nice and flush and no air will escape while you're trying to blow up the balloon. So I think you're going to cut it and tape it on, and
Yeah.
I'll use the rubber band on mine. We'll see if one works better than the other.
Sorry. Works. Okay. Next, for this balloon rocket, you will need some fins, and that's why we have the index card in there. And that's all I have to say about that. So take your index card, okay, and let's fold it like that's like a hamburger bun, right? That's what it's supposed to. A book. Oh, a book. We are a library. And then fold it one more time in the same direction. So now it's a pamphlet. When you open it up, you'll have 4 spots. And that you'll see with the crease that you made. Just cut those as straight as you can at those 4 creases. Oh, that's how we're doing it?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought we were going to still make a little angle to it.
Go ahead.
So Kristen's making her fins kind of stick out far like this. I'm going to try like this. Okay. So there's no right or wrong way.
When you attach your fins to the straw, though, you should leave yourself a little bit of room at the bottom, because that is how you're going to be blowing up the balloon each time you want to launch the rocket.
Mm-hmm. Good idea. And good call. Okay, now that they're blown up,
It's time to launch, though. Okay? Time to launch.
okay, what do we do? Ready? Countdown? I'm
Go
aiming it
ahead.
right towards the camera. 3, 2, 1.
We have to do that again. Mine hit me in the face.
Try that again. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
It's good.
Nice.
Okay.
And that's it, right? No.
But wait, there's more.
So, for this next one, here, we'll put.
All right. I'm ready.
Done fooling around? Okay. This next one's really easy. What we need, though, is the string. The string's going to be attached on one end of your room, kitchen, dining room, wherever your parents allow you to stick this to. Dining room chair actually works pretty good. And then we're going to be blowing up the balloon and taping the balloon and the straw together. And then we got to thread the straw onto the string. So you blow up the balloon, pinch the neck of it, and then tape the straw to the balloon.
I have the straw taped, as you can see, right into the center of the balloon. Mike has taped it a little more down towards the neck of the balloon. It'll work either way.
Yep. I gotta do all that work again. So we want to thread the string through the straw, where the balloon will be blowing the air kind of like at you if you're holding the string.
I'm going.
So it's going that way. Was I still in the frame? It's going that way. Oh, this is going to be a race. I'll stay up on this side. Ready? On your mark. Get set. Go.
Works great.
What happened to mine?
What does yours do?
The neck of your balloon might not work. Wow. That was fast. All right. I think I'm ready. All right. Let's have a race. Whoa. Okay. Ready? I'm green. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. You still had me.